Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special tasty ladies finger fry recipe. This is a very unique recipe with very nice taste. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Then add 7 to 8 curry leaves. Add 10 to 12 chopped lady's finger. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 chopped onion. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Saute it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Switch off the flame. Our tasty ladies finger stir fry is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.